Welcome, in front of me is an Honor 400 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. See how long it takes me to find it. Oh, there we go. And once you have it open, we want to navigate to these three dots right here and select Settings. In here, you're looking for Import Export right over here, and then select that you want to import from SIM card or just SIM. This in turn will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, so you can quickly check all of them right over here if you want to. Maybe you want most of them, you can manually deselect some of them, and then click on Import, which will bring up the options for you to import to. Now I have two, phone itself and Google account. I can choose either one of those, though I think all of these accounts actually exist on the Google account. And here, for some reason, contacts doesn't prevent me from, by the looks of it, importing duplicate contacts. That's kind of weird, but I will check it just in case, just to see how or what will happen. And I mean, it looks like it combines them, I think. Yeah, it looks like it combines them, I think, so it's not that bad. But yeah, anyway, that's basically how you would import your contacts. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.